Finding winning stocks is the ultimate challenge for every investor. Today, I'll show you how to use Investing.com's free stock screener to discover promising opportunities among more than 100,000 equities worldwide. Let's start by accessing the stock screener. You can use it on both your desktop computer and mobile device. The easiest way to begin is with our Predefined Screens. We offer 50 ready-to-use screens across categories like growth, momentum, dividend, and more. Here's a powerful screen to explore: Blue Chip Bargains. This screen helps you find stable, undervalued, large-cap stocks that have proven track records. Looking at the filter section, you can see how this predefined screen is structured to identify blue chip bargains. Once you've selected a screen, your matching stocks appear in the results table. The Overview tab gives you the big picture at a glance. Need more detail? Switch to the Insights tab for in-depth analysis, the Valuation tab for pricing metrics, or the Technical tab for indicators like RSI and MACD. Refining your results is simple. Click any column header to sort stocks by that metric. For example, in the Financials tab, sorting by free cash flow reveals companies with the strongest balance sheets. Need to add a specific criteria? Simply use the search bar to find filters like dividend yield percentage, and choose from preset ranges or enter custom values. The results update instantly as you refine your search. Trading internationally? Select any country from the drop-down menu to adjust your results for that specific market. Once you've found promising stocks, here's what you can do. Add them to your watch list. Set price alerts to track price changes. Download your results to a spreadsheet. Save your screen for future use, or share your saved screen with other investors. That's your quick start guide to finding great stocks with Investing.com's stock screener. Now you're ready to find your next great investment. Check out our video on how to create custom screens and views from scratch.